Greetings to all students of class 3. Today in our math subject we will solve question number 11 to question number 15 of worksheet number 5. Question number 11. Count the number of triangles in the given figure. The given figure is made of different shapes. A triangle has 3 sides, 1, 2 and 3. Let's count its corner. It has 3 corners. Let's count how many triangles are there in this figure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. There are 6 triangles in this figure. This answer is given correct on option A. So we will put tick on option A. Question number 12. In which of the following a given tile is used? Let's make design with this given tile. We will use 2 tiles of this given design. This design matches with the design given on option B. So, we will put tick on option B. Question number 13. Understand the given pattern and fill in the blank boxes. In the first box, there is AB. In the second box, there is CD. There is a blank for third box. Then GH. Next is IJ. Again blank. Then MN. And last one is again blank. Let's see which alphabets will come in these blank boxes. Here, group of 2 is made for these alphabets. Let's see. First group is AB, second group is CD, and third group will be EF. It means in this first blank box, EF will come. Next group is GH. Next one is IJ. After IJ, there will be KL. It means in the second blank box, KL will come. Next group is MN. After MN, there will be OP. In the third blank box, OP will come. All these groups are given on option C, so we will put tick on option C. Question number 14. Observe and complete the pattern of given clocks. Here, some clocks are given to us. Let's see all these clocks. After seeing the pattern of first and second clock, we come to know that there is a difference of 15 minutes. In the second clock, the minute hand moves in clockwise direction and comes to 3. In this way, the second clock moves 15 minutes ahead than first clock. First, we will take the clock given on option A for this blank. See carefully this clock, dear children. The minute hand of this clock moves in clockwise direction and comes at 6. This clock is following the same pattern of second clock. Now see the last clock. In this clock also, the minute hand is moving in clockwise direction and comes to 9 following the pattern of third clock. In this way, all these 4 clocks are following the same pattern. But the clocks given on other options are not following this pattern. So the clock given on option A is correct. We will put tick on option A. Question number 15th. Which of the following pictures is showing measurement of weight? 4 different pictures are given to us. In the first picture, this weight measuring instrument is used. The thing to be measured is hanged on this hook and hold this machine from the above handle. In the second picture also, the weight is measured with this weighing machine. In this machine, in the one pan, the weight is kept, and in the another pan, the thing to be measured is kept. In the third picture also, the weight is measured with this electronic machine. In the fourth picture also, the weight is measured with this weighing machine. All these pictures are showing measurement of weight, and this answer is given correct on option D. So we will put tick on option D. In your homework, dear children, you will revise question number 11 to question number 15 of worksheet number 5.